Yeah.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be reviewing this Wagzai miniature from PuppetsWar. This would make an awesome proxy for a Gazgul, so let's get straight into it. As you can see, this miniature came out awesome. For this miniature, I decided to increase its size by 20%, just so it made it look more intimidating and bigger. I did, however, have to go back and add a few heavy supports at the bottom of the miniature, and run Lychee's island detection on the miniature itself. The supports came off quite easily with hot water, and the small cleanup you can see me doing is just me removing the rest of the support that I missed on my first round. The miniature has a lot of little tiny supports littered around and inside the miniature, so just be careful and just take your time to remove them all. I love the samurai aesthetic that the PuppetsWar have got going here. In fact, they have a ton of samurai themed orcs that are on their My Mini Factory right now. And if you're part of their Patreon, you get it as part of their release, monthly release. As well, if you are part of their Patreon, you do get a 40% discount on all their previous releases on My Mini Factory, or a 15% discount from the PuppetsWar EU shop. To start off to build this guy, I'm just going to leave the space marine off the base. There is a special base that comes with this model, and that's currently still printing out. Wagzai is actually standing on this samurai marine, which also looks very cool, by the way. The only real assembly you have to do are his two arms, his two banners, and a few blades that are sticking up and around him. Aside from that, he is pretty much fully assembled. Like I said at the start of the video, I did increase his size by about 20%. I figure this War Boss style miniature should be at least bigger than most things in his army. I'm going to have the arms glued on, but his banners, the blades, and the marine are going to be separate, and I'm going to put them into sub-assemblies to make them easier to paint. Thank you all for watching this review, and I hope I was able to give you some insight on this epic model by PuppetsWar. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other videos on 3D printed miniatures and my painting tutorials. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And as always, feel free to leave comments and questions or suggestions for future videos in the comments below. I love hearing from you and for looking for ways to improve the content on my channel. Thanks again for watching, and happy printing!